The DJI Neo little drone that could has been out for a while now, but I've noticed a few questions that people have asked on my videos and the wider internet. So here are some answers to those frequently asked questions. First up, can the Neo track or follow cars? Here's what DJI says in response. Unfortunately, DJI Neo is limited to tracking individuals as it is equipped with the active track feature, which specifically focuses on people. Now you can work around this if you want to circle around a stationary car. You just have to place a person, yourself or someone else, in a good position next to the car. But for actively tracking the car, that seemed like a no. But in a subsequent post on a DJI support forum, they confirmed that it can track an object like slow moving cars, but this option is only available using a dedicated remote controller. And a few people have tested this and confirmed that it will work in at least two modes: spotlight and point of interest modes. But you'll need that dedicated remote controller. So maybe you might need that fly more combo after all. Next question. Can the DJI Neo take photos? Yes, it can, but it's kind of a mess, and everyone hopes DJI will make this much better soon. But here's what works for now to take photos. Connect the app, open settings, go to spotlight, and change the camera mode setting to photo. Now, feel free to disconnect the app if you want. The setting is a sticky setting, so whenever you palm launch the drone again, it defaults to photos. The thing is, Spotlight is pretty limited. You've got to move the drone yourself to where you want it, and then you have to walk to your photo spot and stand still for 3 seconds. It's fine, but it's also pretty limited. You're only able to shoot a photo from the angles you can reach with your hand from the ground. It would be much better if you could take photos in droney mode or rocket mode, or stacked photos at different exposures, or photos every 2 seconds as it flies away or towards you in any quick shot mode. There's also no way of knowing if the photos have been successfully taken or not. But yeah, this should be much better, DJI. Next question. Can the Neo shoot in vertical or that portrait mode? And here's the unexpected answer. No, but I suppose that could change. But this is still pretty surprising given that one of the target use cases is social media. It's frankly quite odd. So if you want vertical, you'll have to crop that video or image in post, like in the DJI Fly app editor, which has a bunch of other effects you can use too. Next question, and it is a biggie. Can the DJI Neo be safely flown over water? The answer is kind of yes, but with care. Here's what a DJI rep had to say on the DJI forum. When hovering on smooth surfaces such as water or snow, drifting may occur. DJI Neo is light and compact and relies heavily on its vision positioning system for stable flight, especially in environments with no or weak GPS signals. Vision positioning is highly dependent on ambient light and ground textures. In low light conditions or areas with plain or uniform ground textures, the drone may not be able to hover stably. Therefore, we recommend that you shoot using DJI Neo in environments with ample light and distinct ground patterns. So you've been warned. Probably not a good idea, at least below 6 meters over still water. So I guess this clip from a DJI ad must be above 6 meters then. Next question. When is the DJI Neo for sale? Now this question has come up because for one reason or another, the Neo was delayed for sale in the USA until October the 8th, but we're well past that now. It even led to some people ordering from other countries like the UK and getting it shipped to the USA to get hold of it early. Now that worked for some people, but not for others. They kind of like held it back so it didn't arrive in that market too early. But you should be able to buy that in the USA or wherever you are just fine now, subject to stock availability of the Neo. Now I've got an Amazon affiliate link in the description and pinned comment below if you'd like to buy through that. It doesn't cost you any extra and I get a small commission with each sale, so thanks. And I've got a video that helps you to decide which Neo package to get. Just the drone plus battery and charger, or getting the Fly More combo with all that plus a remote controller too. More from me on the Neo and other exciting travel tech again soon. I'll see you there.